Building an online store is a lot like cooking for guests. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of love to create a masterpiece. The prerequisites for your online store include defining your target audience, researching the products that you want to sell, and defining your business type. Just like your cooking needs to be equipped with the right tools, a good website needs to be equipped with the right tech tools before launching. These tools are what you'll need before diving into the actual site building, or the meat of the project. GoDaddy's online store can help you choose a design template, create categories for products, upload product photos, and define policy pages. Once your website is cooked to perfection, you'll need to pair it with the perfect sides to complete the meal. Connecting a payment platform and setting up a shipping or pickup method can help you complete your website for the best online and in-person experience. And just like a chef fine-tunes a seasoning, test your online store and spread it on social.